Good morning, everybody. I'm Teresa Perrin, and this is my stock market watch list for Thursday, October 20th, 2022. Please remember, nothing I say is financial advice, and always do your own DD. Guys, my watch list is going to be very short and to the point today. Unfortunately, I did not sleep well last night, and I am feeling exhausted, so I did not wake up in time to do as much research as I would have liked, and AVCT is going to be my primary focus for today because, guys, the offering is going to, the private placement offering is going to announce that they have closed today, or is expected to at least, because it said expected to close on or about October 20th. Well, today is October 20th, and I don't see any reason why that would be delayed. I expect AVCT to push through that 163 resistance and to continue upwards, pushing through that $2 and ending the day above $2. So anyways, guys, I think that we shall see a substantial move in AVCT, so keep that on your radar. Hal. Guys, I hope that you have been listening to me because I've been calling this out every single day. In fact, I've been calling it out for the last couple of weeks, and as you can see, it's up 17.88%. Guys, this closed the day yesterday at $31.99. It's up to $32.51 in the pre-market, and this is a technical breakout. This is going to continue moving in that upwards direction, in my honest opinion, because the cost of energy is just ripping, and those stocks are on fire. So, this one is going to be an absolute banger, along with PBR. Now, guys, you can't go wrong with any of the energy plays out there right now. Oxy, Chevron, XOM. You just can't go wrong. They literally have been rocketing. I don't know about the smaller ones because for whatever reason, they seem to be meeting resistance, but I would keep a strong eye on IMPP. It's really struggled to break out of that resistance, and I truly believe that that's because hedge funds are in the accumulation process, and as soon as they're done with that, they are going to send that ripping, just like what you see with Mullen. And oh my gosh, I forgot to take a screenshot of Mullen, guys, but Mullen is absolutely on my radar as well. But I just wanted to say that because it just hit me. But please check out my video on Mullen. I really think that's going to continue moving up, as well as HLBZ that I forgot to add. And I apologize, guys. I am just very, very overtired. When I tell you I slept 1 hour last night, that's not an understatement. PBR, though, getting back to this, I apologize for the divergence, but PBR is breaking out. It's having a massive technical breakout. If this pushes through 16, and in particularly 1670, expect this to rip to 1790, I think, is the 5-year high. And if it gets through that, guys, the sky is the limit. I do believe that by Friday, this is going to close above $16. In fact, I believe that so much that I have $16 calls. Will I wait for them to completely get there? I don't know, guys. It was like a call that I bought, a week ago or so for 4 cents each. Okay, so they were cheap, they were YOLOs. It's probably going to open around that price today. I'm not quite sure if they double in value, if I'll just take the win, or if I'll let it continue going. It depends on how strong this is, but I truly, truly believe it is going to continue making strong moves upwards. And I do have later dated calls in the stock as well. Because I do truly believe that. And all of them are priced at that $16 strike. Hook. Guys, it's so funny that I saw this on the top of my scanner this morning because I was actually looking at this stock because I needed to sell something to buy more ENDPQ, which I think is going to eventually make a huge move to the upside. It has been beat down hard, and Hook was one that I considered, but I couldn't let it go, and my feeling was that it was going to break out soon. It has been having a very, very strong consolidation, and I do believe, guys, that it is going to break through that, and today could be the day for that. So I'm glad I didn't sell it. That was pretty significant. If we break through that $2 mark, guys, I think that we're going to continue ripping in the right direction. Kaaba. I hope you listened to me on this one too, guys. I've been calling this out, I believe, since last week. It was like 85 cents when I called it out. It actually ran up to over $1 and it pulled back and then broke out again yesterday. Ripped up this, there's a little gap between $1 and $1.06, so be mindful of that it may come back eventually to close. But this has been in a very strong uptrend as well, and I do expect continuation. Again, who knows what's going to happen, but there is that small gap fill that they could always come back for. So that is in the back of my mind, guys, but until it gives me reason to sell, I'm going to continue riding that wave. Blue Apron. All right, guys, this has been very interesting this week. I do believe that it found its bottom and that it is continuing to make moves to the upside, as you can see. It had a slight pullback yesterday, but I do believe that we continue seeing Apron move to the upside. Now, that being said, interestingly enough, Weber usually moves with Apron. And very strangely, Weber is down to 52-week lows, guys. I think it hit $4.99 before it even bounced. Now we're sitting here at $5.16. We're down $1.14 in the past week. Weber has a strange ability to move around option expiration dates. It has monthly options in this play, meaning that Friday they will be expiring. And I wouldn't be surprised if Weber went as high as putting those $7.50 or even, guys, getting close to putting those $10 calls in the money. Now, I could be totally off base, and who knows, maybe they all expire worthless this month. But something tells me that if this starts moving, it is going to make a run for it, just like Mullen has all those options that could come into play. Weber is the same thing, and I do believe you are going to see some moves over the next 2 days. Now, that being said, Revlon has also been very interesting, and yesterday closed the day flat, as in not up a penny. Like, literally, it closed at the same price that it closed the day before at, guys. I do believe that's a sign that Revlon is going to make a reversal out of this downtrend. If you remember last week, on Thursday, it had this rip. See this big green candle? I'm expecting something similar today. So keep it on your watch list. I would not be surprised one bit if we saw a nice little spike like that. AT&T had earnings that came out this morning, guys. As you can see, they're up 1.99% in the after hours. I'm going to assume that they hit by the time I took this screenshot and that they must have been fairly decent if they're still up. It doesn't look like there was a drop, but AT&T has in the past week or two hit its 52-week lows, guys, and I do believe that it started that nice rebound up, and I do believe AT&T could make moves today. So anyways, guys, that's my watch list for today, and again, please keep Mullen and Helbiz on there as well. Ticker MULN and HLBZ. I did make a video last night, like I said, on Mullen, and I have one up from the day before on Helbiz, guys. Both of them I do think are going to move to the upside today as well. Thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderful